A little rain across the valley this afternoon is helping to cool off temperatures. We're mostly, a little cooler than we were just a few hours ago, but you can see showers and storms in spots. Not a lot of rain around in terms of coverage, but thunderstorms popping up here and there, and a little bit of light rain in northern Hidalgo County. But the flood advisory, the only advisory we have is in western Starr County. This is kind of half in Zapata County, half in western Starr County, from about Salaneno off to the west through Falcon Village and into Zapata County. But this rain starting to weaken a bit, but enough of it's been falling in spots in this green area within the last hour or so to maybe give you a little bit of flooding on some roadways. So kind of watch out for that. The rain's still coming down and could add up to a couple of inches before it's done. South of this, if you've been hearing some thunder in the last half hour or so around Weslaco and La Feria, it's mostly to the south, but some lightning strikes occasionally crossing the river. But most of the rain is on the Mexican side of the Rio Grande near Santa Maria, and south of the Rio Grande is where the heaviest rain is likely to stay. There was a thunderstorm about an hour ago near Port Mansfield, which has now just about moved out into the Gulf of Mexico, but still over some of the bay water. So I think this is what we have to deal with through early this evening. There could be a thunderstorm or shower really popping up anywhere at times through maybe about 8 or 9 p.m. And then after that, probably just a small chance for a shower overnight. But temperatures have really dropped. We were around 100 in some areas earlier today. Now we're at only 87 in McAllen, 85 in Harlingen, 83 in Weslaco, even 83 in the normally hot Rio Grande City. And Brownsville is the hottest place right now at 90 degrees because the rain has mostly been around there and it's still sunnier. But the winds, a little breeze out there, about 20 miles per hour or so from the east and even a bit to the northeast. There is a bit of a dying front which has come down and kind of shifted the winds a little bit, but it's not really providing any drops in the humidity. So this evening, a shower or storms possible in spots through about 8 or 9 p.m. and then maybe a spotty shower after that. But temperatures, depending on where you are, will still be in the 80s. Some areas in the low 90s at 7 p.m., but many areas in the 80s through this evening. And your day planner for tomorrow, I think we're looking at temperatures going from about 82 in the morning to about 94 at noon with a spotty shower during the day. But most of the day looks partly sunny tomorrow as rain chances are pretty small. So, well, there's another look at your day planner. All three at once. Highs mostly in the upper 90s tomorrow. About a 20% chance of a shower with the sea breeze during the midday and afternoon hours, but most of the time it looks to be dry. You can kind of see on the map here this line of showers and storms. This is a kind of dying stationary front right now, which is hanging out across the northern Gulf, but helping to spark some of the showers and storms today. So shower storms possible this evening on Future Track. You see most of it though ends after sunset, maybe a shower or two still left overnight. Tomorrow, the front's pretty much gone, but the sea breeze may spark a couple showers here and there during the daytime. There's still a lot of moisture in the air, so you might get a quick downpour in spots, but I think most areas do look dry tomorrow, and temperatures will be back well into the 90s or maybe hitting 100 in spots. So Verse 1570 forecast, 99 tomorrow, but remember, you might be cooled in the afternoon in some areas because of rain. Highs, though, could top 100 in some areas by the weekend. Our rain chances go down close to 0% by Sunday. I think we're at about 20 tomorrow, 10 on Saturday, near 0 on Sunday. We'll have to watch the tropics, though. We'll talk more about this at 6 o'clock. It could ramp up our rain chances potentially later next week. So we'll keep watching the tropics and the rain in your First Warn 5 forecast coming up.